Mintri rangba ka jila ukonrad ke sangma hagkatlay trik naitung. Ula ong bakajing penyeng ya ka entry exit point ha umling. Kam dan jing e satya. Henry ka jingwan ra ya ka an pan pentre kam kadai ka jing e. Ya ka ni ula penpau halur ka jing kren jong mintri ka tana tourism utimoti di Shira. Halur ka jingbu ya ka tourist registration center ha umling. Hapadeng ka jing persyak ka bajur halur ka jing temu pan penkala ya ka facilitation center sya ka jaka bam ni food court bat ka jing dawa ban bo ya ka entry exit point ban perking ya ka jingwan room kerthet ki beriu ki panabar ka jing penyeng ya ki entry exit point kam de satya ka jing e ngila ban penyeng ya ki mentaru ngila ban penyeng la shairu Henry ka jing kali kalong halor ka jing dan ya ka an ban pentre kam bat ban le ya ka jing kami benya ka badai ban long ong ukon ran habak ran shikilat tai ka buat taru ulo ong baka jing terwa ban penbet thamai ya ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act MRSSA kan la ban ay ya ka jing kershan ka basyong an bat ka bala ban pentre kam ya ki nagi senjam ka jing penyeng ya ka kerdab kam de satya ka jing e Henry ban pentre kam ya ka nakabenta ban kami benya ya ka de ka jing e ka bakongsan ka jing plia ka kerdab la shai ka sngi ka jing bu iki priyo kan shong hang ni kan umla satya ban weng ya ka jing e ulong kumbang ala ong knang ba kan long ka batri kam hakata ka rukam ka bang kwa bakan long kata ka don kam ka tu ka ni ka jing tray ki bate ban le kata ban wan ra ki jing pen bet mai ha ka MRSSA idang tray halor ka ni ka benta batungin kermen ya ka babhatam ban ra ku chief minister
Getting an entry exit checkpoint is not an issue. We can set it up today, we can set it up tomorrow. The question is about having a legal mechanism to implement and actually enforce a checking that should happen. So that's where the problem and the challenge is, and that's where we were hoping that the MRSSA amendment would then allow us to have that system in place. So putting up a gate is not an issue at all, but making it and enforcing it to check and what kind of checking takes place, that is a key issue. So opening up a gate tomorrow and having a person sitting there is not going to serve the purpose. So he's right in the sense that we will set up, but as I said, in order for it to become actually effective in the way that we would want it to be, it will require some work to be done, which is what the MRSSA amendment was supposed to be. We're working on it. Let's hope for the best.